Glitter, what is there? What is there, little hunter? And Glitter is going to catch the prey now, and the prey is moving, and the wild predator is backing off with few steps because he's going to lean and chase and grab with his dangerous paws and sharp nails the prey in one catch, and the prey will just simply exhale and die. That is the prey. What is it? It's a crocodile or a giant green jellyfish? Help Glitter to understand what species is that, because he can't catch through sniff any sort of tips of a smell of a predator or of a non-predator species. So he's backing off because he doesn't feel any danger, and he doesn't even think he can eat the prey. So don't have to lose his energy. We'll just go and play with a ball on the pool, because that's a serval life in a normal human's habitats. Glitter, where is Jill? Oh, Jill is in the water. I mean underwater.